where watch. Fling shot around there. Fling shot around there, so. Yeah, boy, you do the smart and boss. Fling shot around there, so. Run gun a little Corolla now. What you mean? Yeah. You're dead. You're dead. One in your head. Boom, 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 boom. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, aka the reaction boss. Oh, back to another reaction video, guys. Now I have family Sparta. Yo, we have family Sparta, Rich Badness official music video. People, I just posted a vlog of me and my girlfriend in a hotel room in a hot box. Go check out that pan channel right now, live and direct. You see me I say. Anyways, family Sparta, Rich Badness. If you see if you all are new for the most lit music video reactions, then just find the baddest channel out of Jamaica. It's the baddest YouTube channel right now, and the baddest channel is on YouTube right now. You understand me? For the most energetic reactions, them, the most lit video, them, the right place. Road to 10,000 subscribers in the people. So please consider subscribing to the channel if you guys are new. Comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post right over there. So we see them a while ago. And remember, one love. Alright, so I go on now. Run tune. Boss, hear the music. Yeah. Boom. Burn that. Hold on. Want to see what family roll out with people? Watch us style here. Actually, I white boy they night too. What's the matic family roll out with for them? I think a joke, I think a baby thing. Only think a baby thing I go on another video. You run tune. Yeah. See a bill. Who I get Bob done? Oh, damn, man, myself. Yeah. Corona time. Hold on. Corona time. Yo, hey there. You see my mask? See my mask? You see my mask? Alright, ready, people. Who there? No, man, we not going nowhere. Yeah. We there, same way, yeah. I'm lose again. Yo, with hot skull. Yeah. But nah. Brand new machine on the scheme. Yeah. Check it if it's real, because the film I get away now. Everything, but what? Hold on there. Miss it right a while ago. Put on by the current massacre. That video COVID. That video covetously COVID. Hold on there. Hold on the people. Hold on there. I want go on. Family. Rich Badness. I'm moving where watch. Fling shot around there, so. Yeah, boy, you do the smart and boss. Fling shot around there, so. Run gun a little Corolla now. What you mean? Yeah. You're dead. One in your head. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh. Let me about. Give him some more. 4 months later. Yo! The most epic start to a music video out of Jamaica. Like that. You get it. You gone with it, dog. You gone with it. The most epic start out of Jamaican music video. See that family, you get it already. You just started and gone with it already. Right now, I'm going to see what I go on for the song now. Rich Badness. I say go. Brand new day. Hey. Pull up in a Rolex. Alright, go on. Kill it. Baby. Alright, family, bro. Yeah. What I want to see that. I see a girl a while ago, family. Hold on, the dog. I see a girl a while ago. Baby, I have a laptop and record pan now, you understand me? So I can look at your pretty body. Right now, like all the people. Hey! Get us in the TikTok! Yeah! Woo! Hold on, there we go. I said, let's stop, my boy. What? I know I analyze the video, people say original video link down below in the description, but see if you don't come up for the reaction boss, or I'm not there for the reaction boss right now. Remember when the dance and they go viral on how they go viral? Instagram? And you don't know. You don't know the time look at see that? Yeah. No, that never happened in the history. I like make them used to do it, you know. It don't work. Put the clocks in the fridge, it don't work. Me I tell you the honest truth, cause me try to tell you. It never work. It never work. But go say Tommy get back in there, man, no man. Cause once we are going run tune. Hey. Yeah. Hey, Tommy, let me tell you this. Oh, that will never happen. Me tell you what I'm going to say still. Me go for say, you say if you're going to knock. No, man. Me not even say that. You say if you're going to knock a boy, girl. If you're going to knock a boy, girl, you better use both, you know. Because you know what she got, or the boy got, you know, Tyrekejt, Sparta. You see me, I said, the Russian boss and give some well-needed advice, you know. You don't know chop right, you know. Run tune, yeah, man. Oh, what the boy do? We're taking rich badness. I get breast them look. Go on. Well, I don't watch the movie, but I analyze a girl first. I analyze a baby first. I analyze a baby first. What's she there? Oh. Yeah, boy. Yes, sir. Alright, right on now. Go back in that video. Right? Stop it, right, sir. Why did I mute the damn thing? Wipe and muting the thing. Right on. Wow, go on. Man, hug up the scar. Yo, well, I afford them. I play. I know them gun. I know nothing about gun. I know nothing about them. I Fortnite me play. I know about them something here. Fortnite, and then the gold scar like boss in a Fortnite. No. Oh no! What did she do? Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Hey. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm saying, no? Yeah, boy. That's what I got right as a guy. You feel say, yeah, get way. Them feel them get way. Yeah, boy. Reaction, boss. I want to slow motion partner something. You remember? Now, that's how you go. I will show you next one. There. Playback speed. And I will press right there. Alright. Yeah, boy. What the bumbuck about? A time therapy girl, never go on. And the same girl, what them does get out and go. Remember Kichonia, man, because I get carried away, you know. I'm getting carried away. You understand? You know the chat. Badness! You know like that girl look governed. That baby look bebel. Your people want to go check out. Yo, hold on, no, hold on. I'm not people say, if you not watch the video right now and not subscribe, consider subscribing to the reaction box channel like right now. Especially like button if it's like say, like the video. You understand me? And just some comment down below in the comment section and see the next video I'm gonna post. You know what chat? Road to 10k. Subscribe. Well, as me I said to the video, no, I run some more too. I chat too much. UK, rich Rolex. You know that video I get yellow mark, you know. Family, why you have to bring us so much backside scar and so you go. Aren't you? Everything there. Rich Rolex. Hey, Tommy just come from flex for a man now, you know. Flex, yeah, flex, you know. Show me say, hey, me got the whole of the money and the whole of the girl, me got beer gun. Nah, about me. I gotta start roasting them and watch a stand. Hello, Mr. Ugly Rasta man, why you last off stay so? What kind of gas that you have on? Hey, no, it don't look good. You understand me? Use the bean. You have blacks so you don't have blacks so hide it. That not work, it don't look good. Come against the walls you see. Them man fake. Them not real. Me tell you that. You flex and me flex man you to them man fake, them not real. You me tell you? That me tell you right now. It's fake. Watch you. But now man I roast nobody. We nah, but there was nobody at all. It was all, but them gyal, yeah, but them gyal outside, them gyal outside, you know. Yeah? Yeah? Me like that one on the left side. That one on the left side, baby, eh? The reaction box. See you, baby. Come on, put it. Quarantine radio. Quarantine. Not sure. Themselves. Wait. Me quite never quite get that, you know. No, I lie. Me get it now. The girls that me marry later. Can me go for say, what you say, dog? Yeah, dog? And the girls them. We like to say girls them. Be myself. Pro NOC. Once NOC back claim and the video no little no. According to my name, Gold God. Anyways, I don't show in the video because I don't know how I make that long video. So I go and fit in the thing. You know, they might probably normally have some movie scene now. Go on the NI thing, you know what I mean? True legs. Bastard music, pick up your bum buckle by yourself. It was a movie. Baby girl, it's like a movie. Girl, you was trying to show people. Consider subscribing to the boys channel if you're new and help me reach 10,000 subscribers to the most lit music video reactions from a Jamaican. Like, what more you want, dog? Everything lit and bubble up over your son. They get them pop fuck.